Oh, speaking of social media, yeah, big announcement. No, I'm not pregnant. Yeah, we're stretching out into social media, not just YouTube. We're also on Instagram now as well, because we both love our photography and content creating and making videos and stuff. So yeah, we'll leave an Instagram link below. We're also on. Well, that's the big one, isn't it? We're now on the what do you call it? Like the Blue Link website.
Yeah. Got to be careful with what you say.
Yeah, got to be careful what you say with that. Yeah, some social media platforms don't like it.
No.
Because of what's on it, but yeah, we put a lot of stuff on there. Well, should we say, if you want to see more of us in a light that you don't usually get to see. Yeah, that's where we post it. I don't know if you remember that shooting video that we did in the woods with the air rifles and stuff. We had to cut a sizable section out of that because it wasn't YouTube friendly. Well, this is the place where you'd find that.
Blue Link.
yeah, Blue Link. But again, we'll put a link in the description as to where you can find that.
Yeah.
But until then, we better do some Soapbox. They can be ready for next year. Right, let's do a bit. we're gonna be poor for a while. I've spent a load on an investment property. I ain't gonna see anything back from that for a few years. Georgie's lost a job.
I've not lost my job. I'm just seasonal, laid off, kind of.
Seasonally laid off.
Yeah.
So you're now a lady of leisure at the moment. Lots of time.
Apart from next week.
Yeah, lots of time, but yeah, we've got no spare Charlies.
Nothing.
Nope. So, well, at least we've got some quality time.
Exactly.
Plenty of quality time spare. Yeah. So today we're going to do Soapbox because it's pissing down outside. So we're going to finish off welding these gaps that we made in the frame. Whoppers just there. And that's really it. I think that's as much as we're going to do for this year. I don't think there's anything else I was going to do. It's really just make it higher off the ground.
Is that it?
Yeah, just make it more drivable. Or just shows that.
I know that we were just strengthening it, but.
Yeah, we're going to add. Well, we've got a load of spare steel that we're going to use to strengthen where the front end meets the back end.
Yeah.
So there'll be a lot less flex in it. But yeah, otherwise, we haven't really got the funds to do anything more.
No.
I really want to make a fiberglass body for it to make it more streamlined.
That's the thing that I thought we were going to do, but you're right, that'll be quite expensive.
Yeah. That would require extending the frame. I'd have to.
But not only that, we don't have the time for it either now.
No.
Really, not that.
Because it's in July, isn't it?
But do we also need to take into consideration that the track has now changed? There's water. I'm going to get soaked. Do we need to think about that now?
The track has changed as well. So now, instead of running just from the pannier market, the lengthways, it's now running down from the side of it, which is steeper. And they want to put a water, like a shower, some sort of spray.
And there's traffic lights as well, so I'll probably be on red whilst I'm getting. That's the whole point. They put the traffic lights right by where the water comes out. It says traffic control on there. So I'm going to be on red whilst all this water is getting me soaked. And they put in another ramp as well, which we don't know what that ramp is.
Fuck's sake. So yeah, you're just going to be sitting there.
And there's foam at the end as well.
And we've got, 2 runs of that?
2 or 3.
Yeah, so while we're waiting for the next race, you're going to be sat there
dripping.
Soaked. Yeah. Dripping, yeah.
I mean, it'll be easy enough to probably find out what that surprise ramp is because I know people.
Well, the annoying thing is that we've got slicks. These are proper slippery tyres. I don't have any all-weather ones. I was going to get some, but...
How much would that be, though? Do we have money for that one, though?
No. Second hand, they'd be about 30 quid. You can get some that have been used on a track, and then they sell them off, but I don't know.
I just
Well,
think
then
it's going to
foam
be
as
really
well.
slippery.
Foam as well, that's going to be slippery.
That's not until the end though.
Yeah. We're just going to end up crashing into the hay bales or something. Yeah, you're
going to be fine.
Oh, yeah, well. It won't be nice to watch, though.
It'll be fun. But it's stupid. Ultimately, I know it's fun, but it's stupid. It's a stupid idea. Adding water in.
It's more of a spectator's thing, isn't it?
It's not for me.
It's not going to help our situation
No.
when we want to win.
Maybe that's what it is. Every year, people have just been doing so well, and there's not been enough like life-changing crashes, so they just want to.
Yeah, make them crash more.
Yeah.
And then YouTube will have a field day.
Yeah.
Oh, speaking of social media, yeah, big announcement. No, I'm not pregnant. Yeah, we're stretching out into social media, not just YouTube. We're also on Instagram now as well, because we both love our photography and content creating and making videos and stuff. So yeah, we'll leave an Instagram link below. We're also on. Well, that's the big one, isn't it? We're now on the. What do you call it? Like the Blue Link website. Yeah.
Gotta be careful with what you say.
Yeah, gotta be careful what you say with that. Yeah, some social media platforms don't like it
No.
because of what's on it. But yeah, we put a lot of stuff on there. Well, should we say, if you want to see more of us in a light that you don't usually get to see.
Yeah.
That's where we post it. I don't know if you remember that shooting video that we did in the woods with the air rifles and stuff. We had to cut a sizable section out of that because it wasn't YouTube friendly. Well, this is the place where you'd find that.
Blue Link.
yeah, Blue Link. But again, we'll put a link in the description as to where you can find that.
Yeah.
But until then, we better do some soapy box. They can be ready for next year. Right, let's do a bit.
Kind of. No. Yes. Why am I holding it?
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, that's it. Hand on the top.
Oh, this isn't going to be straight.
Just that side of the line. That'll be fine. Hopefully. Yeah, just like that.
Perfect.
And weld it all the way around there, and then weld it up here as well. But yeah, there'll be a load of strength there now. So that'll be that all connected back together. And then at some point we can do some strengthening.
Yeah.
Add a load more steel to it. Yeah, weld. I think we're there.
Yay.
Yeah. Well, it's tacked in place anyway. When I've got a bit of time, I can fill it all in. Grind it down, good as new. Maybe a splash of paint if I've still got any left. I can't remember if I've still got any paint left or not. I can't remember.
You gave that quite a few coats.
I've got a feeling I used all the yellow. I just had to leave it as undercoat or something.
Yeah, I've got poster paint at home. Nick it from the kids' archive.
We'll just have to, might have to leave it just as undercoat this year until we've got a budget
Yeah,
next
it'll
year.
be fine. We can give it a clean up.
Oh yeah, you can clean it up.
Yeah.
But it'll be raceable.
Oh yeah.
It might be winnable, but We'll have to see about that.
It'll be fine.
No, we better go water dig in a minute. So that'll do for today. So until then, yeah, we'll, like I said, we'll leave the descriptions in the, leave the links in the description. See a bit more. But yeah, until then, we'll see you at the next one. Trying to think, because we haven't done anything for a while because of it's been the weather that's been holding us back.
No, we need to get out on Hetty, don't we?
We do need to get out on Hetty.
Sad. Withdrawals.
Sad times. But yeah, I've got to give it a wash, polish. So we're doing it out of the garage at the moment, so that will be a lot more presentable in there. I'll be able to do more videos in the garage as well. Yeah. Not just the workshop, but yeah, we'll have something again for you soon. It'll be, well, we get up to so much.
I know, we forget to film half of it really.
I know, yeah. We'll be much better at that. We'll be much better at that now, so yeah. Alright then, we'll see you soon. Thank you.
Bye.